Hello everyone. So today's date is 8th of June 2022 and today we have a topic of video called clauses in SQL. So let's start. Clauses or clause is basically a condition which can apply on a SQL query or which can apply on a database. Whenever we are dealing with a database, we are using a database in the SQL to get the required data from the database. We use clauses there. So clauses basically are the words which applies or on a particular query to get the desired output. So whenever you want your data as per your requirement, using these clauses, number of clauses, you can get that from any particular database. So what is basically use of these clauses? With the use of clause, we can apply the constants or a condition on a particular database. With the use of clause, we can get or we help us to reduce the complexity of SQL queries. It can simplify the queries into the simple terms. Then it also gives the only required data as per the user requirement. So depends on the various parameters. There are number of clauses available in SQL. So let's discuss them one by one. The very first one clause is a where clause. Where clause, as the name indicates, it is a condition or clause whenever you require to get the output where something data is present in that particular output. Let's say if you have an employee table and you need to get the employees details or employee names who have on the salary greater than some amount or greater than 10,000, let's say example. So you can write a query that select the name of employee from the employees table where the salary is greater than 10,000. So this is what the use of where clause. So it basically adds the condition in particular query to get the desired output. Now the next one is a group by query. Group by query used to divide the different groups of a particular table. If a number of employees working in a particular company and there can be number of departments available. So if you want to create the groups of employees on the basis of different departments, the group by clause is used there. So let's say 5 departments available in particular company like IT department, then HR department, then a number of marketing department, consumer department. So if you want to divide whole employees in the basis of the department, you can use a group by query there. Now the next one is having query. Having is same as that of where, but only difference is that whenever you require to apply a particular condition on the whole group or aggregately on the one groups, then having is used. It means if you are creating or if you are dividing the your data on the groups, then after group you need to something, you need your group have something, then having is used there. So basically before you need to apply some condition, before group by where is used, and after group by if you want something to be added, then having is used. So now the next one is order by clause. Order by is simply used to get the output in the ascending or descending order. So let's say if you need the whole employee's salary ordered by, then the lowest salary of the employee comes first and the largest salary of the employee comes at the last, and same with a descending order. So this is what order by clause. Now there are number of clauses available also like delete, update. Delete is also a clause which used to delete some data on particular query. Now insert clause is there. used to insert particular data in a particular query. The one query, the limit clause is there, which limits the output of a particular database. Yeah, like if you have 100 rows in your database, and you only need to get the limit or only 60 rows from there, then using limit clause you can get that. So apart from this, there are also number of clauses available in SQL. So it depends on our requirements, we use them in our SQL. So these clauses can help us to simplify our data manipulation, and with the use of this we can get our desired data, and we can change our requirements as per the project. So this is all about the SQL clauses. So thank you so much.